The Hardworking Girl. Once upon a time in a quaint little village, there lived a girl named Lily. She was known far and wide as the Hardworking Girl. From a young age, Lily displayed an exceptional work ethic and a natural desire to lend a helping hand to anyone in need. Lily lived with her loving grandmother, Mrs. Thompson. Her parents had passed away when she was very young, leaving her in the care of her wise and kind-hearted grandmother. Mrs. Thompson had instilled in Lily the importance of hard work and perseverance. Every morning, before the sun could peek over the horizon, Lily would jump out of bed, full of energy and enthusiasm. She would tidy up the house, water the plants, and feed the chickens. After breakfast, she would head to the village school, where she eagerly participated in all her lessons. But Lily's true passion was the village garden, a vast expanse of beautiful flowers and delicious fruits and vegetables. The garden was taken care of by the villagers, and everyone had a responsibility to tend to it. However, Lily often took the lead, guiding her fellow villagers in the art of gardening. One bright summer day, the village mayor announced a special gardening competition. The winner would receive a magnificent prize, and the village would be honored with the title of the best garden in the kingdom. Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement as she dreamt of bringing that prestigious title to her beloved village. Without a moment's hesitation, Lily gathered the villagers and began planning their garden. They spent days and nights working tirelessly, planting seeds, trimming hedges, and creating enchanting pathways. Lily, with her vast knowledge of plants and her determination, led the team with love and encouragement. As the days passed, the garden began to bloom beautifully. The colors of the flowers were like a mesmerizing rainbow, and the fruits and vegetables ripened to perfection. The village had transformed into a paradise of nature's wonders. All thanks to the hard work and dedication of Lily and her friends. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. Villagers from neighboring towns gathered to witness the spectacle. The judges were impressed by the transformation of the once ordinary garden into a captivating wonderland. And when it was time to announce the winner, the mayor stood before the crowd with a smile. The winner of the best garden in the kingdom is none other than our very own village, the mayor announced, and it is all thanks to the extraordinary efforts of the hard-working girl, Lily, and her team of dedicated villagers. The crowd erupted into cheers, and Lily blushed with happiness and pride. She had achieved her dream and made her village proud. From that day on, Lily's reputation as the hard-working girl spread beyond the village, and people from far and wide sought her advice and help in their gardens. But no matter how busy she became, Lily always made time to care for her village and share her love for hard work with others. And so, the hard-working girl, Lily, and her village lived happily ever after, proving that with determination, teamwork, and a love for what you do, anything is possible.